Hi, I'm Nicole Ford. I'm in the 11th grade and I represent the Seneca FFA chapter in Louisville, Kentucky. My SAE is Production of Specialized Animals at the Louisville Zoo. So I volunteer at the Louisville Zoo and I'm in the Meta Zoo, which is the education animals. As long as you don't bite me while you're doing this. And whenever I walk in, I first clean the glass and make sure that it all looks good for the guests. And then I clean the cages for the education animals and make sure that they're healthy. And then if I'm lucky, I get to go outside with the reptile and show the guests. Well, Chiquita, it's just you and me. Hi Chiquita, how are you this morning? Beginning steps I had to take was first getting the application and coordinating it with my mom. And then after that, I had to go to an interview with the volunteer director. I have volunteered at the zoo for about 4 years.
Good morning, Nicole. How are you this morning?
Good morning. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing well, girl. You have a good day, okay?
You too.
Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Some skills I have learned is how to have better communication with people. Whenever I first started, I was really shy and didn't really want to talk to anybody I worked with or any of the guests and just stay in my own bubble. But now I love talking to the guests about the animals that I work with and passing on my knowledge. The people who have helped me the most are definitely my parents with transportation and supporting me. Diane Taylor, the volunteer director, has also helped me because she gave me the opportunity to be a volunteer and in the youth board. I am also very grateful for Marianne, who is a docent, and she taught me everything that I know. My SAE will help me with my future because I plan on being an exotic vet. I already have my foot in the door and have my name out there, so hopefully I can get into Purdue or some other vet schools and be able to continue my dream. Hi Chiquita, how are you this morning? A very lovely day to have fun in the sun.
Whenever
I'll wait till she's done pooping.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Hi, I'm Nicole Ford. I represent the Seneca FFA.